Alright, so we're going to be learning everything about Facebook today. If you don't have a pen or paper, find one nearby and jot down. Now, I believe the sky is big for everybody to fly, and so many persons have this dream of becoming Facebook influencers. But the issue is they don't know the do's, they don't know the don'ts, they don't know the hows, they have no idea of the technical know-how. All they just have is the dream. Now, listen carefully. Now, there are different things you can do on Facebook. You can be a skit maker, you can be a blogger, you can be a vlogger, you can be a lifestyle experience shower. Let me use that word. But the thing is, the branch of content creating that I do is called blogging or vlogging. Blogging in the sense that it's pictures, text, vlogging in the sense that you post videos continuously. Now, we're going to be learning so many things on Facebook. We're going to be learning about vlogging on Facebook. We're going to be learning on the tools for vlogging on Facebook. We're going to be learning on how to open a page. We're going to be learning on how to source for content. Then we're going to be learning about policy issues. Some people say that they have issues. Now, listen very carefully. Do not be selfish. When you see this video, share this video first. Then come back to continue watching. Now, let's talk about blogging on Facebook, because that is the part that most people really want to know about, because it's easier for them. Many persons are not really gifted in the act of acting, that they will not say, oh, they want to become content creators or skit makers. So, but it's easier for them to blog or vlog. Now, when you talk about creating content in the vlogging angle, you have 3 different types of content. You have the ranting content, you have the reaction videos, and you have the motivational videos. 4, you have voiceovers. You have voiceovers as well. So let's say 4. So you have, you have 4 different types of content you can make as a Facebook vlogger. Either you are ranting, either you are reacting, either you are doing motivational videos, or either you are doing voiceover. 4 of these categories are very important, and I personally do 4 of them. So we are going to start from the first one, ranting. What is ranting? Ranting is basically you coming out to talk on social, religious, or political issues. You understand? You see us sometimes when something happens in the country, we come out and talk about it like, no, why government go do this one? That's ranting. It's a form of content creating in vlogging. It's something we do to express our emotions towards the situation in the country, either our own personal emotions or the emotions of our followers. That is ranting. So we'll just be hitting everything short, so don't take your time. Reaction video is the most popular kind of content creating we do as vloggers. Reaction video is when we take a content in public domain and react on the video. What are content in public domain? Content in public domain are contents that are not intentionally created by creators for the purpose of entertaining their audience. Example, something was happening on the road and a random person videoed it and say, hey, see what they happen, no, see what road safety they do, and the person posts it online. That content, he has put it in public domain, not as a creator, but to publicize something. So a content like that, we take it and we react on it like, why road safety go do this kind of thing now? Make una observe this video. That is reaction video. Sometimes reaction video does not even necessarily mean that you say anything. You can see a situation whereby a video will just be playing from beginning to the end, and they will just show us in the corner of the screen watching the video with you, the audience. That is a reaction that Facebook allows as well. Facebook, in their limited originality content policy, they advise that when reacting to a video, a persona must appear on the screen from beginning of the video to the end of the video to give commentary on the video. So commentary can be facial expressions, it can be audio, it can be body gestures, and the rest. We have motivational video. We know Brother Mike. Brother Mike does a lot of motivational video. Motivational video is, you may have had a very, very funny experience in your life, or a very, very emotional experience in your life from when you were small till now. You can basically use your life story as content, either to advise people, to motivate people, or to give them hope that if you can come from this particular place in life and be here right now, others too can do the same. So that's that with motivational video. Then we have voiceovers. If you check my page back to back, you will see some voiceovers either on sport commentary, either on wildlife commentary, or either on issues that you basically do voiceover on content that can ordinarily be watched without the audio of that content. For example, somebody is celebrating a birthday, and they stamp the birthday cake on the person's face. That's the content that you can watch from beginning to the end, and you understand even if you don't hear what they are saying. So I cannot put my voice over and say, "Omo, no be small thing happen for this birthday, oh." Muna just wait. E get where the birthday for reach, the cake when be say everybody supposed chop, they happy, they call pour the cake. So you are basically hearing my voice as the video goes. Sometimes you hear my voice on food commentary, like, "Hey, my people, eat on a frog we want chop today, oh, and this frog I go teach you how I want to prepare them." So you hear my voice as well on commentary. So that is it on voiceover. Now, as a blogger or as a vlogger, these 4 branches of content creating are very, very important to you, and it is very, very important that you sweep through all of them judiciously. You don't just take one and say, "This is what I do, I'm a voiceover act." No, you do everything. That is how you get more on Facebook. A very important question: is Facebook paying content creator? Yes, but we'll get to that later. Now, number 2